How to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Go ahead and open Play Store or App Store. Now search for Instagram app. Once you open it, if there is any updates available, tap on it and update it to the latest version. This helps us to avoid any bugs that might affect the app. If GIFs still aren't working, you need to make sure to check your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data to see if the issue is related to your connection. If it is not that the issue, you need to launch Instagram app and log in. And simply switch to a professional or business account. Tap Profile at bottom right corner. Now tap three-line icon at top right. Scroll to the bottom. And under for professional, choose account type in tools and select switch to professional account and tap on continue. Choose what best describes you the category and then tap on the done button. Now choose whether creator or business and tap next button. And here you need to set up your professional account, and after that you need to completely close all the application including Instagram. Launch it, and after that you will see you have created professional account. By doing so, you will successfully fix GIF not working on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.